Hi everyone, I'm Suganti here. Today I would like to explain about subtopic 7.4, the principal technologies and standards for wireless networking, communication and internet access from chapter 7, telecommunication, the internet and the wireless technology. First, the principal technology is about cellular network. Okay. Digital cellular service uses several computing standards. The computing standard in United States is a code of division multiple access, which the system Verizon and the Sprint use. Earlier generation of cellular systems were designed primarily for voice and limited data transmission in the form of short text messages. Today, wireless carriers offer 3G and 4G networks with transmission speed ranging from 144 kilobyte for mobile users, say a car, to more and the 2 megapixel for the stationary users. Offer fast transmission speed for email, browsing the web, and online shopping, but are too slow for videos. 4Gs have the much higher speeds. 100 kilobytes second download and 50 megabytes upload feed with more than enough capacity for watching high definition videos on your smartphone. Okay, the standard for wireless computer networks and internet access. There are three standards for wireless computer networks and internet access. First, Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth enables a variety of devices, including cell phones, wireless keyboard and mice, PCs, and printers, to interact wirelessly with each other within a small 30-foot or 10 meters areas. It's linked up to 8 devices in 10-meter areas and useful for personal networking and business to transmit data and handheld device to other transmitter. Okay. Second, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a type of wireless networking protocol that allows device to communicate without cords and cables. Wi-Fi is technically an industry term that represents a type of wireless local area network protocol based on the IEEE standard. Okay. Wi-Fi sets standards used for wireless LAN and wireless internet access with security features. Okay. Radio frequency identification, in short form RFID. Okay. Radio frequency identification system provide a powerful technology for tracking the movement of goods throughout the supply chain. Okay, radio frequency identification system use tiny text with embedded microchip containing data about an item and its location to transmit radio signals over short distance to RFID readers. Okay, the RFID readers. Okay, readers then pass the data over a network to a computer for processing. Unlike barcodes, RFID reader tag do not need line for side contact to be read. Okay, the RFID tag is electronically programmed with information that can uniquely identify an item plus other information about the item, such as location, where it was made, or its status during production. The reader emits radio wave in ranges anywhere from 1 inches to 100 feet. When an RFID tag comes with the range of a reader, the tag is activated and starts sending data. The reader captures this data, decodes them, and sends them back over a wired or wireless network to a host computer for further processing. Both RFID tags and antennas come in variety shape and sizes. In inventory control and supply chain management, RFID system capture and manage more detailed information about items in warehouse or in the production than barcoding system. If a large number of items are shipped together, RFID system track each pallet's lot or even a unique item in the shipment. This technology may help companies such as Walmart improve receiving and storage operation by improving their ability to see exactly what stock is stored in warehouse and on retail store shelf. Okay. Okay, the RFID readers read the tag a second time just as a case are brought onto the sales floor from the backroom storage areas. Software combines the sales data from Walmart's point of the sale system and the RFID data regarding the number of cases brought up to the sale floor. The program determines Okay, the program determines will which item will soon be depleted, depleted and automatically generate a list of items to pick in the warehouse and replenish store shelf before they run out. This information helps reduce out of the stock item, increase sale, and further shrink in its cost. Okay, the cost of the RFID tags used to be too high for widespread use, but now it starts around 7 cents per tag in United States. As the price decreases, RFID is starting to become cost-effective for many applications. In addition to installing RFID readers and tagging systems, companies may need to upgrade their hardware and software to process the massive amounts of data produced by RFID system. Okay, wireless sensor network. Okay, wireless sensor network are networks of interconnected wireless devices that are embedded in a physical environment to provide measurement of many points over large space. These devices have built-in processing, storage, and radio frequency sensors and antennas. They are linked into a in, they are linked into interconnected network that routines that data they capture to a computer for analysis. Okay, this network range from 100 to 1000 of nodes because wireless sensor devices are placed into a field for years at the time without any maintenance of human intervention. They must have very low requirements, very low power requirement, and batteries capable of lasting for years. Okay. Wireless sensor networks are valued for use such as monitoring environmental changes, monitoring traffic and military activities, protecting property, efficiently operating and managing machinery and vehicles, establish security perimeters, monitoring supply chain management, or detecting chemical, biological, and radiological material. Okay, That's all from me. Thank you very much.